Hey everybody, Shane here. After, what, 2 years? I've moved to like 3 different places, and it's Franken-Cooking. So, what does that mean? It means I don't really know. Plan is Fernanda's having a baby. Who's Fernanda? Old roommate, doesn't matter. Having a baby, and we're going to be making a gender reveal cake. And something special, I've got a new camera! So what am I doing? Yeah, I've got 3 types of icings, courtesy of Fernanda. I'm gonna do cake, all the cake, and gender reveal cake. To begin with our white cake, we're going to heavily grease. After greasing the pans, we're going to add our white cake mix into our mixing bowl. Next up is 3 raw eggs. Don't cook your eggs before a cake. I don't know why you would, but words escaping. I've been drinking. So this is going to be the gender reveal cake part. The rest of it was the white cake. And this is going to be the pink part. Spoiler. So same as last time, we're going to use the special ingredients. Again, I've been drinking. Just follow the instructions on the back of the box. We're not doing anything over the top here. I'll be placing all 3 of these cakes in the oven at the same time, and I'll just mosey on over to my couch and watch a little TV while it cooks. Okay, so cake's done. I don't actually have a workspace, so I'm just gonna use this makeshift thing, which, if you know what this is, it'll be an allusion to the next project. So, first white cake. Didn't work well. This is not working. I guess this is what I made too. Well, every cake has now stuck to its pan. Cake pops! Cake pops! Just cut.
Cut in the middle?
There's a bowl right there.
Just throw it in the bowl?
Just throw it in the bowl. Cut directly into the middle.
Here we go.
What if it's not human? What color is it?
It's
green.
It's pink. It's pink.
From Jamaica.
It's a bad cake.
It's not Jamaica. Jamaica.
Give us a dark.
It's not Jamaica. Oh, because it's green.
There should be a big clump.
So
Oh my God.
It's very clumpy.
I don't know. This might be twins.
That's what I said.
It's taking too long.
Is it yellow?
All of our phones are.
It's pink. Yay! It's a girl.
Okay.
Christina, I told you it was a girl.
I told her it's a girl. I was team girl. Yes.
All right, start to work. Thank y'all for coming.
y'all.